DC milliamp check. Now flip is 0.4 m, and this meter is 0.4 m, and we load down the voltage 2 watt, 1.9, 1.6. It shows 0.5 m. Need a foot reading. Now as 0.24 m decimeter, and foot with 0.23. And foot now is 0.17 m, and this meter so a little bit over 0.17 or 19 under. And foot is now is 0.13 m, and this meter a little bit over is 0.14 to 15 under. Now output is 0.5 watt, and foot reading is 0.097 m. And this meter also shows 0.12 m. Okay, next test. High DC voltage test. Now in auto mode. And now is the meter have some problem that may not function in auto mode sometime. Now display 10 or 12 watt DC, it error. And when we put to the manual mode first, they may not be to this. Now is in manual mode. Manual mode DC watt. Now testing first. And also display one reading this meter. Now also display the one reading. And let's see the meter again. When it turn back again, now DC watt, and test again. Now in manual mode. They also show the wrong reading now. Sorry. Okay, next. Meter auto mode check. By passing the meter to the auto mode. Now in auto mode. ISO 222.3 watt, 50 Hz, normal AC, and test the DC. And now the meter have some problem. Maybe hand. Now hand on the current mode and not show the auto mode. Now hand of this meter.